All right, what are we doing, Dr. Audri?
It's good.
It's a good heart. Audrey, are you excited to see what's in there? This is called My Body. Googly eyes.
Googly eyes.
You excited to get started? Alright, so these are the instructions for your My Body and Me kit. Let's see what they say. Shows us all the pieces you get. We're gonna make a stethoscope, make plush organs, and create x-rays. Does that sound fun? And look, you have a little magazine too. That's up here. Can you read the comic, Peter?
What's wrong, Rufus?
Rufus.
I feel horrible, miserable, terrible. Where does it hurt? How long have you been sick? I sure hope it's not the flu. It hurts everywhere. Maybe we should start by taking your temperature. Sneeze shoots out of your nose at 100
miles per hour is what
miles
MPH
per hour.
means.
That's faster than a cheetah can run. Why do you burp when you eat and drink? You swallow little bits of air too. And that air doesn't want to stay in your stomach. When enough air builds up, burp.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is build a stethoscope. You've got all our little pieces. Do you know what a stethoscope is, Audrey? You're not sure? Remember at the doctor when they listen to your heart? That's what we're gonna make. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you've got them in. Can you hear your heart with that?
Mm-hmm.
You think so? Try it. Is it working? You can hear it bumping? Awesome. Audrey, what did you tell me before? That you wanted to be a doctor for what?
Kitties and doggies and every animal.
Kitties and doggies. Did you know you'll still have to listen to their heart? Yup. So next, it looks like we're gonna sew some organs together and then make silly faces on them. Is that funny?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Audrey, it looks like we have a brain, a heart, and a stomach. Which one do you want to start with?
I want to start with that one.
The brain?
Your brain.
All right. A good point to try and stuff some of the fluffing in there. Can you put some in our little opening we have?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it'll all fit. We can try. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yep, shove it in. Stuff that brain. Shove it in. Oh, you're getting it in there. Good job. Good girl. All right, let's close her up.
2 eyes. This one goes here.
Is that funny? I think we might be doing this brain upside down, Peanut, but that's okay.
Next one. Sad brain.
All right, we realized we did our brain upside down, so Audri's gonna make him a sad brain. Go ahead. There's these little Velcro tabbies that go on each side. Sad brain. But then we'll just put it on this.
What about this one?
Huge body chart.
Can we do this?
Yeah, that's the stomach. Stick them on.
Poof.
So you have a sad brain and a happy tummy and a happy heart. Smush it on. All right, so we've got our organs.
What are we gonna do next?
We are gonna make an x-ray. So to do our x-ray, we have to put our clings on our clear paper, draw the details, put this special paper over it, and let it sit for 5 minutes. So that's what we're gonna try. Just about got all our clings on. We decided that our patient needed a broken pinky. Alright, so while we're waiting for our x-ray to set in the light for a few minutes, I thought we would try one of the workbook activities. So this wants you, Audri, to do one side with your right hand and one side with your left hand. Was that harder? Look at this little guy. He says, why is one hand dominant? That means why is it easier to do it with one hand and not your other hand? Scientists aren't totally sure. Most think it probably has to do with your brain.
Okay.
So we've left this sitting in the light. Let's see what it looks like. All right, what are we doing, Dr. Audri?
It's good.
It's a good heart. What else do we have here?
That's what we're gonna be doing. It's loud.
It's loud.
No.
All right, doctor. You work on yours, and we're gonna see how well these two can work together.